We are asked to calculate the amount of carbon dioxide formed in three different cases. First, write the balanced chemical equation. Carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. C plus O2 gives CO2. From this equation, we understand 1 mole of carbon reacts with 1 mole of oxygen to give 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Now, a very important concept. Why are we finding moles in this question? Because chemical reactions always follow mole ratio, not mass. A chemical equation tells us how many moles react, not how many grams directly. So if we want to compare substances or calculate the product, we must convert everything into moles. That is why we calculate moles. And remember this important formula, number of moles equals given mass divided by molar mass. Moles equals mass divided molar mass. Part 1. 1 mole of carbon is burnt in air. Air provides excess oxygen. That means oxygen is more than required. So carbon will react completely. 1 mole of carbon gives 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Mass of carbon dioxide equals 44 grams. Part 2. 1 mole of carbon is burnt in 16 grams of oxygen. Important understanding. The moles of carbon are already given. But oxygen is given in grams, and comparison is not done in grams. So we must convert oxygen into moles. Using formula, moles equals mass divided molar mass. Step 1. Convert oxygen into moles. 16 divided by 32 gives 0.5 mole. Step 2. Compare moles. 1 mole of carbon needs 1 mole of oxygen. But we have only 0.5 mole of oxygen. So oxygen is less. That means oxygen is the limiting reagent. Step 3. The product depends on the limiting reagent. So 0.5 mole oxygen will produce 0.5 mole carbon dioxide. Step 4. Convert into mass. 0.5 multiplied by 44 gives 22 grams. Part 3. 2 moles of carbon are burnt in 16 grams of oxygen. Again, same logic, carbon moles are already given, so we only convert oxygen into moles. Using the same formula, moles equals mass divided molar mass. 16 divided by 32 equals 0.5 mole. Now compare, 2 moles of carbon need 2 moles of oxygen. But we have only 0.5 mole of oxygen. So oxygen is again the limiting reagent. The product depends only on oxygen. 0.5 mole oxygen gives 0.5 mole carbon dioxide. Mass equals 22 grams. Final answers. Part 1, 44 grams carbon dioxide. Part 2, 22 grams carbon dioxide. Part 3, 22 grams carbon dioxide. Always remember, moles equals mass divided molar mass. Reactions follow mole ratio. Comparison is always done in moles, not in grams. And the product always depends on the limiting reagent.